Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and this is a flip book that I showed how to make in a live class at the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. And what I've done is I've gone back and embellished it and decorated it, and it's 10 pages, and I've turned it into a Christmas card for my aunt and my uncle, who are 80 and 83 respectively, and have been wanting to see an example of my work. So it's tied shut on either side, and I'm going to make a better bow before I send it, on each side with a Santa on the cover. I'm going to have to move this a little bit to flip it. And then there's writing space on the first page. Then on the second page is a belly band with a small envelope with some little tickets inside. And I have a side card here that you can pull out with a tab. And then you turn the page and there's lace with a nice Santa. And then there are tickets on the side with a large writing card. And then there's also writing space here. There are two pockets on this side, and each one has a writing card inside. Get it back in there. Okay, well, doesn't want to go back in cooperatively. And then on the next page is some writing space. It's, it's a journal slash Christmas card. And this page has another great Santa picture. And I added the lace on the sides. It's on one side on this page. It's on one side on this page. Then there's another Santa with some more writing space, and this says Christmas greeting, good tidings of great joy. And then of course I signed it. There's lace on both sides on this at the end. And then when you close it and you turn it over, and I closed it with lace at the top. And then when you flip it over, there's Santa on his bicycle with the deer running behind making his deliveries. I love that. Anyway, that's a quick flip through, and I hope my aunt and uncle like it, and I hope you like it. And you can see more of my work, of course, at Sweet Pea Papers on YouTube, and also at the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. Thanks very much, and have a great day.